Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. Going to be doing a series of experiments with these DC controllers. So I looked online and I found a Marx 490 6-volt locomotive. Picked it up for 10 bucks. I'm really curious to see if I can expand the use of these DC controllers by running 6-volt Marx locomotives. My nemesis, of course, styrofoam peanuts. I hate these things. Hold on. I gotta find something to put them in. Oh dear. Well, I've got a box here that's already full of styrofoam peanuts, so I'll just add to it, I guess. There's the locomotive. Well, it was packed well. Anyway, I've never seen one of these things up close, so it's going to be really interesting to do this. Let me get this out of the way. Alright, so a Marx 490 6-volt locomotive. As you see, it has a completely different kind of motor in it. It has a can motor mounted vertically, and it looks like it uses, I can't tell if that has a helical gear or not. Anyway, it has a standard contactor, but it's a 6-volt locomotive, so I have no idea how this is going to run, or even if it's going to run for that matter. I've never seen one of these before. All right, let me pull the camera off the tripod. We'll take a look at this thing. So, as you see, completely different kind of motor. Can motor mounted vertically. So I have no idea if I'm going to be able to run this on one of these DC controllers. So let's go with the smallest one. And I'll put this on the rail and we'll see what happens. Alright, magnetic lock on. Power on. Nothing. Nothing at all. Alright, it's doing nothing on DC. Let's see if it does anything on AC. Nothing at all. So obviously there's a problem with the motor or the wiring. Anyway, like I said, I've never seen one of these things before. It's made completely different than a standard Marx 490. It looks like it has the same shell, but the motor is held in with what appears to be tabs rather than screws. The push rods are cantilevered into a hole rather than being mounted on a stud. And the, wow, tab and slot is absolutely tweaked. So, in any case, I got to pull it apart to find out what's wrong with it. Anyway, I found it on eBay, and being a DC locomotive, I wanted to see what it would take to actually run this, and if I could run it on one of these DC controllers. So we're going to find out one thing at a time. A bit tweaked, no doubt. So I'll find out what's up with that motor, so I'll do a follow-up video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.